Hello everyone, welcome to Tutor for Maths. Now we will be discussing a new topic of the angles. We will be discussing what are the various types, how can we identify by looking at it in our daily life. So all we will be discussing in this video. So let's begin with that. What we are going to do is we are starting with the topic of angles. Okay, now what are the types of angles? Let's have a look. So there are 5 types of angles. First, acute, then obtuse, then right, straight, and last is reflex angle. Reflex angle. Now let's begin with these and understand what are these one by one. Starting with the first, acute angle. So what is an acute angle? An angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It means that angle's measure lies between 0 and 90 degree. And what is important thing to note? It should not be equal to 90. So very important. Angle's measure is in between 0 is bigger than 0 but less than 90 degree but never equals to 90 degree. Such an angle is called acute angle. Let's have a look from the protector. Now this is an acute angle. You can see the blue lines. You have to look at the angle enclosed by these blue lines. So what is the angle enclosed between these blue lines? One line is at 0, another is pointing towards what? So that will give you the exact measure. So what is it pointing at? 20 degree. Okay. So let's have another example. Now have a look. What angle is it? You have to calculate the angle. You have to count the numbers starting with 0 between the lines. You can here it is indicated with blue. 2 lines are indicated with blue. So you have to start with the 0, the one line placed at 0, then count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and what does it is pointing out? It is at 45 degree. Clear? So let's have another. So now how much angle is it? See, 90 degree is in the middle and our angle, the blue lines, the angle between the two lines is between less than 90, and what is it is pointing at? 60 degree. Okay. So now let's move on to another, the second type, obtuse angle. So what is obtuse? An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree. So now we have to move beyond the 90 degree. We have to move above 90 degree, but less than, where should be less than? Less than 180 degree. So the angle which is between 90 degree and 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Again, 90 degree is not included. If the measure is 90 degree, it is not called obtuse angle. Only the angle which are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree are called obtuse angles. So now let's have a look by the protector. So now again, starting with 0, start counting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 70, 80, 90, then 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and our blue line is at 160. So what is the angle? 160 degree. Clear? So let's take another example. So how much angle is it? Hurry up, quickly evaluate it. So how much angle is? It is greater than 90. Our blue line is going beyond 90 degrees. So how much angle is it? It is 100 degree. Clear? So another example. Now have a look and tell me the angle. So it is starting with 0, moving beyond 90, 110, 120, 130, and it is between 130 and 40. So what is 140 and 130 in between that? So how much angle is 135 degree? Clear? So we have done two angles right now up till now. Acute angle, which says it is less than 90 degree, and obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degree but it is less than 180 degree. Okay. So now moving on to the third type, right angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 90. So here we are moving straight upwards to the 90 pointing, that is 90 degree angle. So that angle is called right angled. Right angle. Okay. Now what is straight angle? Straight angle is whose measure is 180 degrees. So laying straight, a straight horizontal line. So have a look at the line. So it is going straight horizontally, crossing both the ends, starting with 0 and then turning to the other side with 180 degree. So it looks like a straight line. Next, what is reflex angle? Reflex angle is that which is greater than 180. So in the figure above, shown above, you can see that the angle shown is 120 is 200, which is greater than 180. After crossing 180, it has come down, so the angle increases. So now the measure is 200 degree, which is greater than 180 degree. So this angle is reflex angle. Clear? Next, so now these are the figures which shows, first one is obtuse at the top left, then on top right is acute, then on the bottom it's right angle, right angle, and then is a straight angle which is 180 degree. Now what angle is this? Identify it. Pointing, look at the arrows, look at the blue lines. So at what angle it is pointing? Starting from 0, how much it has moved? So the answer is right angle, 90 degree. So moving on to next, identify this angle. We are recapitulating what we have done. So what is this angle? It is moving from 0, it is going up till 35 degrees. So it is less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle and the measure is 35 degree. Next, how much angle does it shows? Starting with 0, it is moving beyond 90 degree, and at what angle? It has gone beyond 120. So 125 was in the middle, then 126, and then it is 127 degree. This figure is of 127 degree and it is obtuse angle. Next, this is a very much clear from the figure, a straight horizontal line. So how much angle it is? Straight angle. Okay. So let's have a look on the shapes which are formed by these angles in a single go. First one, acute, which is less than 90. Next is 90 degree. So see, we are going from less than 90, then we reached at 90, we get right angle. Then we moved beyond 90, greater than 90, so it is obtuse. Then we go straight 180 degree, so it is straight angle. Then we have gone beyond the straight greater than 180 degree. So that is reflex. Clearly, the motion, we have started the motion from less than 90, and at the reflex we have gone greater than 180 degree. Okay. So now let's do a little work about the worksheet, a sort of worksheet or a trial from the daily life. Now this is a hand fan. Pick of a hand fan. How much angle it is making? What type of angle? I will not ask how much. I am asking what type of angle is it making? Is it making acute or obtuse? Alright, I am giving three options. So here what will be the answer? It is going beyond 90, it is greater than 90, so the answer will be obtuse angle. Let's try another example from daily life or daily watching figure. Now what does this yellow portion, yellow angle show? What type of angle? So this is clearly, this is less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle. Moving on to next, it's a beautiful clock made by gems. Now how much angle does it shows? It is showing pointing straight up to the top, that is 90 degree. So the angle is right angle. Next, you can leave this. Now moving on to last one. This is the last figure. Can you see this? What angle the green portion, the green round is making? So it is going beyond 180, greater than 180. So what is the angle which is greater than 180 degree called? So it is reflex angle. Clear? So this is the figure of reflex angle. Clear? So what we have learned today, we have learned about 5 types of angle. Number 1 acute, number 2 obtuse, number 3 right, number 4 straight, number 5 reflex. So let's do again. Right, acute means less than 90. 90 less than 90, then moving on to 90 degree, that is right. Then moving beyond 90, greater than 90. I am showing this figure again, this one. Less than 90, then moving towards 90, that is right angle. Moving beyond 90, greater than 90, obtuse. Then stopping at 180 degree, straight angle. Then going beyond 180 degree, greater than 180 degree, we get reflex. So these are the 5 types of angles which you need to be identified. So I hope the concept of angles is clear, and now you can easily evaluate and identify what type of angle is coming in front of you in terms of any daily life example. So I hope the concept is completely clear to you. If you have any queries, any doubt, you can mention in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful and properly explained, so do press the like button and share it with all of your friends. Thank you.